kids, let's learn A to Z with animals. A for alligator. A for alligator. Look kids, alligator. B. B. B for bear. B for bear. Look, a bear. Bear sounds. C. C. C for cat. A cat. Cat sounds. D. D for dog. D for dog. Look kids, a dog. Dog sounds. E. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Look kids, elephant. Elephant sounds. F. F for fish. F for fish. Look kids, a fish. Fish sounds. G. G for goat. G for goat. Look kids, a goat. Goat sounds. H. H for horse. H for horse. A horse. Horse sounds. I for insect. I for insect. Look, insects. Insect sound. J. J for jaguar. J for jaguar. Jaguar sounds. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Look kids, a kangaroo. Kangaroo sounds. L for lion. L for lion. Look kids, a lion. Lion sounds. Ooh. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Look kids, a monkey. Monkey sounds. N. N for nest. N for nest. Look, a nest. Bird sounds. O. Owl sounds. B. B for parrot. B for parrot. Look, a parrot. Parrot sounds. Q. Q for quail. Q for quail. Look, a quail. Quail sounds. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. A rabbit. Rabbit sounds. S. S for sheep. S for sheep. A sheep. Sheep sounds. T. T. T for tiger. Tiger. Tiger sounds. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. A unicorn. Unicorn sounds. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. Look, a vulture. Vulture sounds. W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Wolf sounds. X. X for X-ray fish. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish sounds. Y. Y. Y for yolk. A yolk. Yolk sounds. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra sounds.
Weird
Great
animal.
job, kids!